Hey guys, in today's video I will be reviewing some products from the black owned business Bomba Curls. As you can see, my hair is so dry, she is tangled and she is thirsty, so I will be taking her on a much needed curls trip, curls vacation today. So I'm gonna go ahead, shampoo, condition off camera, and I'll be back to deep condition. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. I'm going to go in with this deep conditioner now, which is the Dominican Forbidden Hair Mask. This is infused with raw cinnamon and kapuasu butter. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but this stuff smells so good, y'all. So I'm just tying up my hair so I can start in sections. You guys know I love my sections. This mask is supposed to stimulate, restore, strengthen, moisturize, and nourish your hair. So when I first put it on my hair, y'all, it felt so good. Like I never felt a mask with this much slip. Like it really felt so nice going on my hair, y'all. This is also a award-winning mask, and the way it just went onto my hair, y'all, I just wish you guys could feel it. It just went on so smoothly, and so it just felt really nice going on the hair. The mask also states that it's supposed to restore curl elasticity, moisture, and shine to your hair as well. So after I put in the deep conditioner, I went ahead and started twisting up my hair. This is my usual. So I just put the deep conditioner on, twisted it up, and move on to the other sections. The mask also says you can leave it in for 20 minutes. I like to use heat. It didn't say use heat or not, so I like to use heat on my hair when I deep condition. So I just put the deep conditioner on and sat under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. And the deep conditioner also says use every 1 to 2 weeks for best results. That's when you're supposed to be conditioning your hair anyway. At least condition your hair twice a month. Alright you guys, so this is my hair with the deep conditioner in. My hair felt so smooth, y'all. Like I really liked how my hair was feeling. Like I really loved this mask. And you guys know I detangle my hair during the conditioning process, so not during the deep conditioning process. But if I were to detangle with this mask in, this mask has so much slip, y'all, that is crazy. So I'm going to go ahead, put my cap on, and sit under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. Alright you guys, so I'm back from rinsing out the hair mask, and then I let my hair air dry inside of my microfiber towel for about an hour. So this is my hair. I just wish it was a little softer and a little more moisturizing, because I really thought it was going to feel a lot better than what it was. But the next product I'm going to go in with is the Dominican Forbidden Oil, which is infused with pure coffee seed and castor oil. This is a multi-use oil, so I'm just using it to seal in the moisture in my hair, because I really like to use oil to seal in moisture in my hair. But this oil is also good for scalp stimulation treatment, hot oil treatments, conditioning boost for your mix if you put oil inside of your conditioner, things like that. So I just used it to seal in the moisture in my hair. Okay, and right now I'm just blow drying my hair. I already put in some leave-in and a cream, and I just blow dried it out, and then I'm just going to put some oil on top of it. I'm just blow drying my hair so it can dry a little faster, a little bit. I'm not doing a complete blowout, but after I blow it out, I used the oil, and I really loved this oil, y'all. Like y'all know I already love oil, but I really like this oil as well. It really made my hair feel soft. It really did good in sealing in the moisture in my hair as well. And I know you know I love some sheen shine on my hair as well, so I did have some sheen shine after I twisted it up my hair and everything, and it really made my twist look smooth. The only thing is I really am not a fan of the smell. I'm not sure if it's because of the coffee seed and the castor oil smell mixed together, but I'm not a fan of it. But other than that, I really love the oil. I also wanted to mention to you guys that Bomba Curl products are clean products, so they don't have any silicone, parabens, sulfates in their products, and they also use organic ingredients as well if you're interested in the ingredients. And look how smooth that twist looks, y'all. That twist looks so nice with that shine and sheen. So I'm just going to go ahead, finish up my hair. I'm just doing 2-strand twist and bantu knot in the 2-strand twist, and I left those in for about 2 days to air dry, and then I'll be back to take them down. Alright you guys, so it's been about 2 days or a day and a half, and I'm back to take down my hair. My hair felt so smooth still, it felt so soft, and I loved the amount of shine on my hair after I took all the twists down, y'all. My hair felt so nice. Like, I wish you guys could like touch it, but my hair felt so nice. It was so soft. I really loved it. I also wanted to mention that this oil wasn't like super thick as how you know castor oil really feels like thick and everything. This oil did not feel like that at all. It was really nice. It wasn't like thick and sticky. It felt really nice going on. I didn't have no frizz on my hair, so she was so hyped. Alright you guys, so this is my hair all taken down. It looks so nice and so defined, soft, shiny, everything in one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair out, shape it how I want it, and then that will be the completed and final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend giving these products a try, y'all. So let me be extra with my fan and stay tuned for the end of the video. Alright you guys, I'm done taking down my whole entire head. My hair feels so good. Like, my hair feels so soft, it feels smooth, it feels moisturized. She feels good. So I really love this forbidden hair mask, y'all. I have not I'm speechless. I have not tried a product with this amount of slip in it. Like, I was just like kind of shook. I thought I knew what slip was. You won't know what slip is until you try this mask, y'all. Like, I really like this deep conditioner mask, y'all. I done used most of it already, so I'm gonna have to probably buy some more. But y'all, and it smells so good. It smells like a warm vanilla smell. It smells like a fragrance that I have. But yeah, y'all, I really like that mask. The only thing is, after I rinsed it out, it didn't feel as moisturizing as I thought it would have felt. I thought my hair would feel a lot softer than what it was. I thought my hair was gonna feel a lot softer and like how it felt when I had the deep conditioner in. I thought it was gonna feel so soft and so like juicy. But I did notice, like, I don't know how to explain this, but I did notice once I rinsed the mask out, it's like the water, or I don't know, like the water particles, I can really feel it in my hair. I guess like the water was like sticking to my hair, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's one thing I did notice after I rinsed the mask out. I can feel like the water was like actually sticking to my hair, if that makes sense. My hair did feel a lot stronger almost, instead of more soft and moisturized, if that makes sense, after I rinsed it out. The oil, I love using oil on my hair. If you're not a person that loves oil, then, you know, I wouldn't recommend using oil on your hair. But I love oil on my hair, y'all. I had some nice shine. And then I blow dried my hair so it can dry a little faster. So when I blow dried my hair and then put the oil on after it and then twisted it up, y'all, that twist looked so smooth and so shiny with the shine. Y'all know I love shine on my hair. This oil is like it's a multi-use oil, but I don't really like doing oil treatments on my hair. I just like to use oil to seal in moisture for my hair. So I really do like this oil for sealing in moisture. The only thing I don't like is like the smell. You might like the smell, some people might like the smell, but I'm not a fan of the smell. I'm not sure if it's from the coffee seeds that are in here, because this is made with pure coffee seed and castor oil. I'm not sure if that's why, but that's the only thing I was like, I'm really not feeling the smell like that. But other than that, y'all, y'all to approve. I recommend trying both of these products out, y'all, especially this mask. Like I said, I thought I knew what slip was, but you don't know what slip was until you try this mask. So I really enjoy using both of these products. Thank you so much, Bomba Curls, for sponsoring this video and sending over your products for me to try. I really enjoyed them, and I really love this fan because now I can be extra. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, so go ahead and do that. Don't forget you're beautiful, you're strong, You the best music. And I will see you guys in my next one.